Today, I'm going to be giving you a strategy that works on GBP USD to completely dominate the London session, okay? Once you actually start using this strategy, you will completely become profitable and you will actually pass your profit account. So let's just get straight into it, right? So what you're going to be doing is only trading one of the London kill zone session, which is from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. on a 5-minute time frame. You mark out the highest point and the lowest point of Asian session as soon as you start, okay? So this is the highest point of Asian session so far. So if I just play it, okay? So as you can see, this is the highest point and it's already been swept, right? So we were already marking this out from here. It's already been swept, so we are actually going to mark this, right? So let me play fast forward. As you can see, it's already swept it there. So this is Asian highs swept. So as soon as the Asian highs get swept, this is what we need to do from now on, okay? So we need to find a breakage of structure towards the downside where fractional lows has actually been swept, and we can reinforce our market structure shift with an engulfing candlestick if it's possible, right? So we are actually looking for price to give us a movement which actually goes like this towards the downside, so we can actually trade the reversal, right? So all we're looking for is a market structure shift, right? So if I play price forward, keep it going. As you can see, we have a very good candle, and there we go, which got a very, very good market structure shift, and it actually is a fractional low, and I'm going to be telling you exactly now what a fractional low is and how you can identify it. But this is the market structure shift right here, right? So, and a fractional low is a series of 3 candles. So it has one candle like this, and another candle which is actually like this, right? So the 3 candles are in this type of pattern. The first candle is a little bit short, the second candle is longer than it, and the third candle is the shortest one. And as you can see, the candle in the middle is the one that's going the lowest, which means that this candle is the one we're going to be using for our fractional low, right? So if I play price right here, put it right there, as you can see, this will be the fractional low, so that's what we're going to be using. So now all I'm going to be doing is actually ticking this off. So we actually have a fractional low, and we have a breakage structure, and we also do have an engulfing candlestick, and that's done. So all we need to do now is identify the fair value gap, and then we can actually execute the trade and start making some money. But just before that, for any of my serious traders out there who are actually looking to start actually passing accounts and start getting funded, you need to look no further, because at MSPass, this is exactly what we specialize in. We get you funded, and then we get you your first ever payout. You can see right here, Raya got his account passed right there by FTMO right there. You can see it's a 200k evaluation that we completely passed for him. We covered 20 to 30% of his account cost, and then we actually are working to get him a payout right now. As you can see, Isaac right here got a $8,000 payout, and you can see 50,000 account completely funded right here because of our service. Okay, we are the best in the game, and just click the first link in the description and join us, because we are only accepting 5 more people, right? So there is actually a time limit. We are accepting only 5 more people in this. Anyway, all we need to do now is actually mark out our fair value gap, which will be from here to here. So this is the fair value gap that we're going to be marking out, FG right there, and all we're going to be doing after we do mark out that FG is actually playing price, and we are actually going to be entering our short position right there. So once we enter the short position, all we need to do is actually completely cover the whole area of this. We're going to be covering the whole area with our stop loss, and then we're going to be placing our take profit as a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio, right? Because we always need to 1-to-3 at least, so we can actually start always make profits, right? So what I'm going to be doing now is, let me move this over once. All I'm going to be doing is actually bring price forward. You can see it's going to enter right there, and it's entered very well, and now it's going towards the downside. As you can see, it's going towards the downside, nearly smashing take profit, and there we go, it's completely smashed our take profit. This strategy always has the best of the best structure to it, which is why I always use it, and it's the best strategy that you can use, right? I'm going to be showing you on a fundamental level how you can use this strategy and how you can use it towards your advantage, right? So I'm going to be showing you. So this is the indicator that's marking out my Asian session, let's say, and this is Asian session. So price is going to do whatever it wants in Asian session, but once it gets to a specific trading time, that's what you need to do. You need to mark out the highest point of Asian session, which will be from here, and you need to mark out the lowest point, which would be anywhere from here. Okay, so soon as you do that, once you get the highest point and the lowest point marked out, you need to actually look for when price actually sweeps one of these 2 areas. Let's say it's completely swept the lows, right, like this. So this will be the lows swept, right? So as soon as the lows get swept, what we need to do from here on out is actually play price forward. So it's going to go back up into this area and give us the very good 3 candle pattern that I showed you about earlier. That's going to be the fractional high. And then all we're waiting for is price to actually break that structure. And as soon as it breaks it, this will be our market structure shift. Right, so market will be shifting towards the upside. So this is the market structure shift right here. And as soon as we actually do get this, this is a green flag to actually go ahead and go towards finding the fair value gap now. So what we're going to be doing is finding the fair value gap. Usually it's the extreme one that we do go for right here, or you can overlap it with the market shift for a higher probability, right? So but it's going to be the FVG right there. And as soon as we get the FVG done, all we've got to do from here on out is actually play price forward once, and then we will enter our position, right? So we're going to be entering our position, placing our stop loss just below the FVG area, placing our take profit at Asian sessions highs, right? And price will do this one thing: it will come back down into this area, maybe close below our FVG maybe once, and then it will go up, completely smash our take profit, just like it's done in this example right here. It's gone down, closed above the FVG maybe twice, and then it stopped closing below it, giving us very, very good wicks, and then it's gone down and completely smashed take profit. And that's exactly what it's done here, right? That's why you need to listen very carefully, because some of these things these other YouTubers will never ever teach you. Let me show you the pairs that it works on. It works on GBP USD, it works on Euro USD, it works on XAU USD, right? So these are the 3 very, very good pairs that it works on, and I've seen very great success in. I'm going to be giving you the indicator name. Just comment down below and I'll completely send it to you. But anyway guys, this is going to be the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.